Hello, my name is Mihaela Hajduk and today is February 1st, 2020, and today I'm gonna do a direct and negative stain. I already label my slide. I put direct 1M, and I flip and I colored I draw a dime size, and now I'm gonna take my swab and I'm gonna wriggle. I'm gonna scrape my teeth and my gum. And I'm gonna draw my slide. And I'm gonna let to completely dry. I placed my slide over the flame 5 times, no more than a few seconds, and I allow to cool down for 10 minutes. And now I'm gonna apply place the staining tray, the slide in a staining tray, and I'm gonna locate this the crystal violet um, and I'm gonna put 1 to 2 drops in the center. 1 drop is enough, and I'm gonna let to sit for 60 seconds. It's past 60 seconds, and now I'm gonna rinse with tap water. And now I'm gonna let to dry. My slide is dry and already I placed on the microscope, and I'm gonna turn on the light, and first I'm gonna use the for magnification, and I'm gonna adjust, and with this one is slightly visible purple dots and have circular shape and longer shape. Now I'm gonna switch with the 10 magnification. And I observe the object are more clear, clear of edges, circular in shape, and some are longer in form. And now I'm gonna switch to the 40 magnification. Takes a little bit longer to focus. Okay, now with 40, I'm able to see slightly larger. They are more cluster, circular in shape. The image is more clear with the 40 magnifier. I already labeled my second slide with 2 -m. 2 means the second slide, the negative means the negative stain, and the M indicates the mouth. I'm gonna take the Congo red and I'm gonna place 1 drop. And I'm gonna take the swab and swab my mouth, my gum, and my cheek. My teeth and my gum, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna place the swab. And after that, with the second slide in a 30 degrees angle, I'm gonna smear it. Okay, and I'm gonna let to air dry. I already placed my my slide on my microscope, and I check with different magnification, and I find out that 10 magnification I can see it, and looks like it's like a Starburns line, and they are connected between them. Now I'm gonna start with the differential stains. I labeled the slide with E. coli and S. cerevisiae and S. epidermis, and with my loop. So I have my 3 vials, and I'm gonna put the E. coli, S. cerevisiae, and S. epidermis. First, I'm gonna sterilize the vial, and after that, with my loop, I'm gonna put in the middle for my slide, and I'm gonna let to air dry, and after that, I'm gonna heat it on my candle. Now my slides are air dry, and I'm gonna take the E. coli, put over my heat for 5 times. And I'm gonna continue with S. cerevisiae and S. epidermis, as same. I already placed the crystal violet, the grain stain number 1 on my slides, and I'm gonna take the E. coli and go under running water until the site is clear. And now I'm gonna take the grain stain number 2, and I'm gonna put 1 dot in the middle, Now gonna wait for 60 seconds, and I'm gonna do the same with the other two. After finishing with the grain stain number 2, I waited for 60 seconds and I rinsed all my slides, and after that I put 2 or 3 drops, actually I put 2 drops of grain stain number 3, and I was waiting for 30 seconds and I rinsed the slides. And now I'm gonna take the grain stain number 4, and I'm gonna put 2 to 3 drops on each of them. And I'm gonna wait for 30 seconds and I'm gonna rinse them. Now my slides are dried and I already placed the E. coli on my microscope, and I'm using the 10 magnifier, and I see clearly huge chunks of purple and clear, almost surrounding, looks like a bacteria growing on circular shape, some longer and some are clearly visible on the 10 magnifier. Now I'm gonna place my SRBCA. And with this one, it's not visible as the first one. They are more appears to be more particles, not circular at all, and they are more clumps together. And I'm gonna place the S. epidermidis. And this one, there are few circle. They are a little bit darker circle, and on the edges are a long string like a line, and the whole edges is very well defined. It is like a bunch of a small cluster, small cycles. And this is my video.